Okay, in this video, we will discuss ecological pyramids and that are the pyramid of numbers, pyramid of biomass, and also pyramid of energy. Okay, so first, let's recap on food chains and also food webs. What do they show? They show feeding relationships. Okay, so in each of the interaction, there's a trophic level. Okay, mari kita lihat balik. Trophic level like this one produces dia punya first trophic level, and then we have the second trophic level, primary consumer, dan sebagainya. So trophic level ini dia rujuk kepada kedudukan organisma which can be linked by the energy flow. So there's energy flow in the food chain. So that's why this bring us to the second statement here, energy transfer occurs when organisms feed on another organisms. Jadi perubahan pada trophic level itu semakin dia meningkat, we get to see changes of the number of individuals, dia punya biomass, dan juga dia punya total energy contained bagi setiap individu tersebut dalam setiap trophic level itu. And this is what we will be looking at in this lesson. Okay, so first one is pyramid of numbers. Daripada namanya numbers merujuk kepada bilangan, so it shows the number of organisms at every trophic level in a food chain. Okay, so ini adalah pyramid. Okay, kita tahu bentuk pyramid dan dia punya tapak itu adalah paling besar. Okay, so we are going to place producers right here, the beginning of the food chain. Lepas tu producers they will be consumed by the primary consumer, subsequently by the secondary consumer, dan seterusnya tertiary consumer. Okay, so macam mana kita interpret pyramid of numbers is that dia punya base, okay, it's the largest part. Okay, this is the first trophic level. Jadi dia punya bilangan producers pun adalah paling banyak. Okay, so the next tiers, maksudnya peringkat-peringkat seterusnya itu yang diwakili oleh primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. Itu as we go up the pyramid of number, what can we see? What relationship can we see is that the number of the organisms decreases. Okay, maksudnya pengeluar itu, dia punya bilangan adalah lebih banyak berbanding dengan trophic level yang berada di atasnya. Okay. And the second information is that the size of the organisms at each level gets bigger. Semakin kita menaik. Okay, so that's why we get to see here tertiary consumers itu paling besar. Okay, as compared lebih besar daripada secondary consumer. Secondary consumer is bigger than the primary, and so on. Tapi of course there are some exceptions lah. Okay, the second pyramid is pyramid of biomass. Okay, first let's define biomass. Dia merujuk kepada total mass of living matter within a given unit of environment area. Okay, jadi dia punya unit di sini is kilogram per square kilometer. Square kilometer, bukan square feet. Square kilometer. Maksudnya dalam 1 kilometer persegi ini, berapakah kg yang ada? Berapakah kg yang ada? So this kg here, biomass here, it is measured by using dry mass. Dia punya jisim kering yang diukur. Dia punya penanda aras. Okay, so this pyramid shows the biomass that can be supplied to the next organisms, to the organisms in the next trophic level. Okay, maksudnya di sini, for example, the total biomass of producers that can be eaten by primary consumers yang ada di sini, the second trophic level kan, is this much, 2.1 times 10 to the power of 7 kilogram per square kilometer. Okay, dan di sini, the second trophic level ataupun primary consumer, this much of biomass, 21,000 kilogram per kilometer square, that can be supplied to the ini adalah the secondary consumer. So as we go up, ascending the pyramid, look here, the total amount of biomass per unit area itu adalah semakin berkurangan lah. Okay, nampak dia punya trend ya. Okay, so the third one is the pyramid of energy. Namanya energy. Okay, so what does this pyramid shows? It demonstrates the total energy which is present in an ecosystem. Dalam sesebuah ekosistem. Okay, dia menunjukkan jumlah tenaga yang hadir. Okay, so let's look at the main source of energy lah. Okay, so the energy source sebenarnya in an ecosystem, the main source is the sun. Okay, is light energy from the sun. And thanks to the green plants, the producers, they are able to absorb light energy to carry out photosynthesis, to convert it to become chemical energy. Okay, ini green plants itu. Okay, so the energy will be transferred to the next trophic level apabila the primary consumers feed on the producer, consume the producer. Okay, so the energy contained inside the food molecules may be stored in the body tissue. Tenaga yang dikandung itu di mana dia disimpan? Body tissue. Ataupun it might be transferred to the environment in the form of excrement, maksudnya dari bahan kumuh ya, such as feces ataupun urine. Okay, when the food molecules are decomposed for respiration, okay, sebab respiration ni pakai tenaga juga. Not only respiration, there are other reactions also. So energy is being used, it's being consumed in those processes. Okay, sometimes, okay, of course, there will be energy that is released to the environment, and mainly it is lost, released as heat. So only a small part of the energy in food is converted into energy which is stored in the body tissues. Sebagai dia punya supplement for the organisms punya biomass lah. Biomass yang kita sudah sebut tadi. So here, to summarize, only 10% of the energy is transferred to the next trophic level. Only 10% to the next trophic level. See here, organisms energy 100% daripada sini, tapi the one that is transferred to the next trophic level is only 10%. 90% itu pergi mana? It dissipated into the environment. Okay, just now we have talked about it. Okay, maybe in the form of heat, in the living processes yang pakai tenaga tadi. Okay, dan juga sebagai bahan kumuh. Heat, living processes are lost through those excrement such as feces and urine. Hence, organisms that belong to lower trophic levels, lagi rendah dia punya kedudukan trophic itu, they will have greater energy as compared to organisms at higher trophic levels. So you can see here 10%. Okay, so 10% is being transferred. So 1% and then 0.1%. Tidak banyak yang tinggal as we go up the trophic level.